Hi everyone. So, COVID has been really taxing for all of us, and we have become more addicted to screens than ever before. Who agrees? So, all of us need to digitally detox, and here are some tips that you can follow. The first step to take is to shut all digital platforms Netflix, Prime, shopping sites, and your devices, laptop, and your smartphone. Remember, we are digitally detoxing, so let's close it all. If you're going to ask me how to communicate with people, then use a smaller phone like this, where distraction is minimum. Such phones will help you reduce your screen time by a great extent, so no excuses. Buy a phone like this and start your detox. Step 2. Buy a plant. Go to the local nursery and buy a small plant and start gardening. Even if you aren't much of a plant lover, take it as a challenge to take care and grow a plant. Once your hard work starts paying off, it will make you feel extremely happy. For first timers, I will suggest buying a money plant because it is easier to take care of. Journaling is a great activity that will help you improve your handwriting and concentration. Good stress buster and rewarding as well. So get a diary, ink pen and a fancy ink to kickstart your journaling journey. There are many resources available that shows how to do a proper journaling. Guys, this lockdown, I taught myself how to paint plants. You can do this too. I picked up a leaf and started studying the colors. In 2 months, I could start shading myself without any classes. So if I can do it, so can you. You can also start by painting old bags and making them better. This activity helps you get a grip on your hands better. So what are you waiting for? Start painting now. Get a brush and do your thing. Now, reading books are not a forte of a lot of people, but it's a great habit to take up. Get easy reading books like Murakami short stories to begin this. Go easy at first. Get some comics, which will be more engaging and attractive for starters. If you're into philosophy, then maybe a Tirukkural is a good start. I'll probably make a video to suggest what books can one start reading. Good plan. Kids or pets are an excellent stress buster. Kids especially for the tired older generation. If you don't have a pet, get one. And if you have a kid, engage with them. Paint, sing and whatnot. Excellent way to get some relaxation into yourself. I saved the best for the last. Get out there for a road trip. Sit in the safety of your car and hit the highway. Pack some food and water for yourself and take a drive. Get the fresh air and detox like never before. Trust me, nature is the best cure. Enjoy! These tips will help you detox better, all for a good tomorrow.